Do you ever think that sugar or soda are bad for your heart? You might be right, but you'd be surprised to learn that some of the worst foods are probably what you eat on daily basis without even realizing a thing. Today, I'm breaking down 10 foods that you might be eating every day without you even knowing the effect in your heart. Heart-related illnesses claim the lives of so many people in the world, and the most terrifying aspect? A lot of heart attacks occur quietly. Nearly half of heart attacks don't have any signs, so many individuals don't even realize they have a problem until it's too late. 1. White bread. That soft, fluffy white bread? It's made from refined flour that's stripped of fiber, turning into sugar in your bloodstream almost instantly. This leads to blood sugar spikes, belly fat, and insulin resistance, all of which increase your risk of heart disease. Healthier swap. Go for whole grain or whole wheat bread instead. It's packed with fiber, keeping your blood sugar stable and your heart happy. 2. Processed meats. Bacon, sausage, ham, delicious, right? But these processed meats are packed with sodium and preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which can increase blood pressure, damage arteries, and even raise the risk of heart disease and cancer. Healthier swap. Opt for lean meats like chicken, turkey, or fresh fish instead of processed options. Your heart will thank you. 3. Fried foods and cooking oils. Love crispy fried foods. Here's the bad news. When oils are heated at high temperatures, they release toxic compounds that damage your arteries. And if you reuse oil, it gets even worse. Healthier swap. Instead of frying, bake, grill, or air fry your foods. And when using oil, choose heart-friendly options like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. 4. Margarine and trans fats. If you spread margarine on your morning toast, you might want to reconsider. Margarine and other processed urban spreads are loaded with trans fats, which increase bad cholesterol, LDL, and lower good cholesterol, HDL. This imbalance can clog arteries and raise your risk of heart attacks and strokes. 5. Soda and sugary drinks. Soda might be tasty, but it's a sugar bomb for your body. Even diet sodas can be problematic, as artificial sweeteners mess with your metabolism, increase blood pressure, and cause inflammation. Healthier swap. Try infused water, coconut water, or homemade iced tea. These options are refreshing and way better for your heart. 6. Processed cheeses. Cheddar, Parmesan, and other processed cheeses are loaded with saturated fats and sodium, which increase bad cholesterol and blood pressure. Too much of these can put extra strain on your heart. Healthier swap. Try cottage cheese, ricotta, or a low-sodium mozzarella for a healthier twist. 7. Instant soups and frozen meals. Convenience comes at a cost. Many instant soups and frozen meals have alarming amounts of sodium and preservatives, increasing the risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. Healthier swap. Make homemade soups and freeze your own meals so you get the convenience without the harmful additives. 8. Packaged snacks. Chips, crackers, and processed snacks might be tasty, but they're often packed with trans fats, sodium, and empty calories. Over time, these contribute to obesity, insulin resistance, and inflammation. Bad news for your heart. Healthier swap. Try roasted veggie chips, air-popped popcorn, or unsalted nuts instead. 9. Ultra-sweet foods. Too much refined sugar leads to chronic inflammation, insulin resistance, and a higher risk of diabetes, all of which affect your heart. Healthier swap. Go for fresh fruit, dark chocolate, 70% or more cacao, or homemade desserts with less sugar. Industrial sauces, ketchup, mayo, and BBQ sauce seem innocent, but they're often loaded with hidden sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats. Even a small spoonful can be a sneaky heart saboteur. Healthier swap. Make your own sauces. Try yogurt-based dressings, homemade vinaigrette, or natural mustard for a healthier, tastier alternative. Now that you know some of the worst foods for your heart, remember this: taking care of your health isn't about restriction. It's about making smarter choices. Small swaps, like choosing olive oil over margarine or fresh meats over processed ones, can make a huge difference in your long-term heart health. And let's be real, you don't have to be perfect all the time. We all love a treat now and then. The key is balance and consistency, not perfection. If you found this helpful, share this video to help more people take care of their hearts. And I want to hear from you. Do any of these foods play a big role in your diet? Or have you already made some swaps? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so.